Okay, we are now on question C 1.4, and it's asking you to show the categories under each of the material group text. So the material group text are categories. You have a category called city bike or kids bike or mountain bike, and you want to show the models underneath it. If you look at the Excel sheet, the original Excel sheet, you can tell that for example, for the kids bike, there are several brands, Cruise Boys, there is Street Max, and so these are the brands. So we want to find out now the sale for each one of them. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that sheet into a new sheet. So it is C 1.3. I want to create a copy of it. So now I have two of them. I'm going to name the second one C.1.4 because it answers that question. And now I'm going to add the material under the material group. And you may already see them all expanded, like you see actual material under the material group. So it may appear like this. If you only want to show the mountain bike because that's what the question tells you, then you need like to collapse all of them. So you go under material group text and you right click and you choose collapse, and now all of them are collapsed, and you need to only expand the mountain bike, and that would be the answer for C 1.4. So go ahead and save your file. In 1.5, they tell you to remove the drill down for material. So you want to take material out again. And instead of just having the distribution channel as the filter, you want to also filter by year and by date, by month. It says restrict to first quarter of 2007. So you want to put the date under the summation. Well, go ahead and put it under the material group. Yeah, go ahead and put it under material group, and you have the dates by day, right? Do you see that? And now you want to right click on the date or group the date, group the selection, and you want to group by years and by quarters, but not months. So now you show the sales per year, and also within the year you can see the quarters. Okay? Then the last step would be to take the years and put it under the filter. And the same thing for the date, put it under the filter. So now I have years 2006 and 2007, and I have for the date quarters 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the years I want to restrict it to 2007, and for the quarters I need to restrict it to the first quarter. So whatever I see here are sales in the first quarter in 2007. Now you understand that companies have to report every quarter. They have to report their revenue, especially the public ones. So this is a way for you to do that, to prepare that report before you send out your federal reports to the government. Okay, so let me stop and now answer questions that you may have.